Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to add an action button to Facebook page. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're gonna open the Facebook application, and once you've opened, all you have to do is head to the menu by tapping on the menu icon on the top right part of your screen right below the messenger icon. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you're here, gotta make sure that the account you're using is a page, and you can check that by checking on the profile tab. As you can see, the one displaying right now is for the page that I have and also the name. And once you've confirmed, all you have to do is go to the page itself by tapping on it on the profile tab. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see your page or the wall of your page. You don't have to scroll down for the next step. Just look for the ellipsis button that's right beside edit. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to the page settings. And for the next step, all you have to do is to look for the add action button settings, which is on the topmost. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, you will see the edit action buttons screen. And on here, as you can see, there is already a button added as in default to our page or to whichever page. It is the message button so that other people can contact you. But if you'd like to add more, all you have to do is to tap on edit buttons. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen. And on this screen, as you can see, there are tons of different stuffs that you can add here. It will depend on what business do you have so that you can add it to your profile. And to add, all you have to do, just like this one, all you have to do is to tap on the checkbox right beside the button that you'd like to add. For this video, I will use this Learn More button. As you can see, it is already checked. And once you've tapped on the check, you will be given a space in which you can drop in the link or whichever button that you're going to use. If it's for messaging, you will be given a space to add your number. But for this button, such as Learn More, website is the one that they're going to ask you to provide. Okay, so let's type in just an example. And once you've typed in or input the information being asked by Facebook, all you have to do is to tap on Save to add that button to our profile. And once you've tapped on Save, as you can see, you will be back here in the Edit Action button screen. And as you can see, it is not message alone, but also with the Learn More button. And to check, all you have to do is to go back again to your page itself. And as you can see, it is not being displayed as for we are the administrator of this page. And to check to what other people will see on our page, all you have to do is to tap on the ellipsis again, and you will be back to the page settings. And the one we're looking for right now is the view as to see on their point of view. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, as you can see, this is what they see on your page. And right beside like, there is the Learn More page. That is tappable, and once they tap, they will be transferred or redirected to the website that you've input. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.